Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this breathtaking Audi A4 Avant in Vorsprung specification with the powerful 40 TDI 204 PS engine, famous quattro 4-wheel drive system and slick automatic S-tronic gearbox. And it comes finished in a solid turbo blue paint finish. This approved used A4 was registered in June 2021 and it's done just over 26,030 miles, whilst it has a full Audi dealership service history, with its last service coming on the 8th of November 2023. Some of the key exterior features include the striking matrix LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, whilst there's the gorgeous 19-inch 5V-spoke star design alloy wheels, alongside the sleek gloss black door mirrors, gloss black window trim and rear privacy glass, whilst there's the useful black roof rails, and finally there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators and the power operated tailgate, which is easy to use with just a press of a button on your keys. As you can see, it leads to a large and spacious 495 litre capacity boot, plenty of space for all sorts of needs such as your weekly shopping or perhaps even suitcases if you're going away on holiday. And here we have the rear interior of the car, with the rear seats finished in the stunning black Velcona leather, and these seats are not only gorgeous but they're comfortable and supportive too, and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, whilst the outer seats are heated, and there's also the rear zone of the free zone climate control as well. And here we have the even more impressive front interior with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel alongside the optional piano black inlays, whilst there's the panoramic glass sunroof, bathing this interior in plenty of sunlight if you wish, whilst there's the gorgeous front sports seats, which feature electrical adjustability with driver's memory function, as well as 4-way lumbar support and a massage function too. One of the key interior features of this A4 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as a satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. Complementing that is a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, as well as external media connectivity and telephone connectivity too, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's also the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. There's the extended LED interior lighting pack, so you can choose the ambient lighting, colour and brightness of your preference, and with just a press of a button, the 360-degree parking cameras and park assist come up on demand. This stunning interior also boasts easy-to-use free-zone climate control and heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's a USB port, a couple of cup holders, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, and underneath the central armrest there's the Audi phone box, so you can wirelessly charge your phone whilst on the go. This stunning A4 also boasts an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system for a refined listening experience, whilst adaptive cruise control makes those longer motorway journeys even easier.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.